Keep the tension on that line. Watch the tail. It's massive. Get the gas ready. Watch the tail. Watch out. Get the rope around it now. Hold fast. Heave on that starboard winch now.
Aye, Captain. Taking up the slack.
Heave. Pull harder. Watch the line. Watch the line. Get it up. Come on. Heave. Pull together now. Keep the tension on that line. Heave. Pull hard now. Watch the cables on the starboard side. Easy, easy. We almost got it. Hold the line. Pull it left. It's too strong. Watch out for the tail. Hold it. Bring it in steady. Watch the starboard side.
Copy that. Easy on the winch.
I've got the hook ready. Hold the line, hold it. Watch the tail. Keep the lines taut. Watch out for the tail swing. Get the gaffs ready. Secure it now. Clear the deck. Move it, move it. Don't get hit. Watch the line coming down! Look out, she's swinging wide! Get the clamps ready now! Watch out, look out! Get back, get clear of the tail! Hold it steady up there. Hurry, get the chains ready. Watch the tail, it's moving. Lock it, lock it. Need more chain if it keeps this up.
Careful now. Watch the tail.
I've never seen anything like it. How are we going to hold it? Hold the line steady.
In the middle of the cold grey sea, the giant iron ship roared in the wind and waves. And from the dark water, a terrible figure was being pulled up. From the side of the ship, the steel cables stretched as if about to break. Screeching, lifting a giant body that was dripping water loudly into the sea. It was the shark that for many hours, the whole ship and the crew had to risk their lives to control. The European fishermen, their raincoats soaked, their faces marked with salt and fatigue, rushed to their positions. They pulled the rope, held the cable, controlled the winch, and shouted loudly to drown out the sound of the wind and the engine. The iron crane shook, the steel hooks grinding against the chains, slowly bringing the long body, heavy as a bus, swaying in the air and gradually turning towards the middle of the deck.
Tighten the stern line. Get that winch moving faster. Watch out for the tail. Keep pulling. Get that line secured now. Watch the teeth. Heave, heave.
The sea water fell in white sheets, pouring down on the heads and shoulders of the people standing below. When the shark's body touched the deck, the whole ship seemed to shake. A dull rumble sounded, followed by a wave of water splashing back, pouring over the steel surface. The water splashed, mixed with the fishy smell of the sea, of blood, of engine oil. The shark's rough, scarred, grey-black skin pressed against the cold metal surface, making its size even more terrifying, compared to the monster lying there. The men on the ship were only small dots, but they were the ones who dragged it away from its domination, the dark depths of the ocean. The shark refused to yield. Its whole body convulsed, its tail lashing the deck, its fins fanning the water. Each struggle was a sledgehammer blow to the steel.
It's too strong, watch the tail! Get that chain secured now. Keep it tight!
Surface, causing the barrier to bend, the bolts to shake. A tail flick almost swept past a man's head. He only had time to duck down, sliding across the wet deck. The teammate behind quickly grabbed his safety belt and pulled it back. Both of them hitting the steel surface, breathing heavily but still not daring to take their eyes off the crazy monster in front of them. The heavy chain was immediately thrown up. The large, cold steel hooks bit tightly into the straps already attached around the shark's body. The gloved hand tightened the reed. The click, click, click sound of the tension system resounded evenly, gradually tightening the chain around the animal's waist, body, and tail. Each time the chain tightened, the shark arched its body, trying to rise, causing the deck to shake violently, water rising like a small rain.
Pull! Heave! Now!
Right under the fisherman's feet, its head swung to the side. Its white, sharp teeth snapped, snapping at the empty space. Water and white foam spraying from its mouth. A nearby rope was hit by it and snapped, whipping through the air like a steel whip. The men, though accustomed to the rough sea, could not help but shudder at the sight of those teeth. With just one bite, anyone could disappear in an instant. They used thick ropes to loop around the nose, near the gills, to secure giant head to the deck, gradually narrowing the area where the monster could struggle. Above, the sound of the crane gradually decreased. The main hook slowly lowered its force, returning most of the weight to the deck and the chain and rope system. The shark was no longer floating but lying neatly on the deck, but its strength still made everyone tense. Every time it
pull harder, don't let it go! Jesus, that was close! Don't just stand there, tighten the lines. Hold the line, damn it! Watch out for the tail! Get it secured now! Hold the line, hold it! It's pulling too hard.
tried to turn over, the entire network of ropes and iron chains would spring up, clanging against each other. The iron stakes and anchor hooks on the deck creaked, but they still clung tightly, persistently holding onto the huge spoils.
Pull, harder! Watch the tail. Get it up.
Almost there. Keep going.